Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the clock app. And now if you want to add an alarm, go ahead and select the little plus icon while you're underneath the alarm section in here. Go ahead and select that. And then you can add the alarm if you want to type it in, or you can just use the little scroll bar here and adjust the AM or PM. Select OK to save it. And then you can adjust what days of the week it goes to as well. And then if you wanted to delete it, you could just select the little delete icon too. You can see it's going to go off tomorrow and then what time. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.